first wanted to use Samsung 40T cells for this build, but ended up getting Molicel P42A batteries. They have more capacity and are rated up to 45 amps compared to 30 amps on the 40T cells. I'm building a 12S 4P battery pack, so I'm going to need 48 cells. So I went ahead and ordered 50 cells. Alright, so the first step is to go ahead and test all the cells. I'm gonna start by putting the cells in sets of 4, and I'm gonna have 12 sets of 4. And now these sets of 2 will be put together like this. I could have also put them this way, but I'm gonna have a lot of space between the cells and I'm gonna end up with a bigger battery than I need, so I'm just gonna slide it over like this so I can save in height. This is one set of 4 in parallel. These are gonna have the same voltage but 4 times the capacity and the current. After gluing the cells together, I'm now gonna have to arrange them. As you can see, I've already done it. So you have every negative of each set corresponds to a positive, a negative, a positive, a negative, a positive, and then same thing here. You have a negative and a positive, negative and a positive, a negative and a positive, and then a negative. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tape them. Next step, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the nickel strips to size. All right. All right, not bad. Alright, so now I have the horizontal strips welded on the battery pack. Now I'm gonna go ahead and double the nickel strip because this is a high current application. I just doubled the part where the two sets of four parallels meet. This is where the current is gonna be high. So within the four groups, there is not gonna be too much current circulating, but between two sets, there's gonna be a lot of current. So you wanna double that part so it can handle more current. So yeah, already got that done. The vertical connections are welded. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the two packs together and weld it. Alright, so now all the welding process is done. I added little pieces of nickel strips so I can solder the balance cables for the BMS. Also added labels on the batteries. I'm gonna have to cover this part because this side and this side should never touch. That's gonna cause a short.